Happy greetings. Myself Malati, working as maths teacher in ASM Villelu. I am handling grades 6 to 8. Now today in MATLAB activity we are going to see what is the linear equation, how to solve the linear equation using a MATLAB kit. Now what is a linear equation? The equation which can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Now we have taken an example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 17. And we are going to find the value of x using a MATLAB kit. Let's move on to the activity. It's a kit for solving linear equation in one variable, kit number 33. This kit contains a balancing scale of this type, and a hexagons with stickers. So it will have a tokens of this sort, hexagons with stickers. Let's move on to the activity. Before that, you must know what is a balancing scale. So the scale helps you to solve the value of a variable. Now, it will have 4 closed slots and 5 open slots. The first one will be the slot for the variable, and the last slot will be the value of the variable. And this first closed slot, coefficient of the variable. Now, sort the tokens according to the question. Now, we have taken a question. In the equation, we are having 2 terms. The first term is 2x. In this, the variable what we have taken is x. Now, that variable x to be placed on the first open slot. And here, the first closed slot should be the coefficient of the variable. The coefficient of the variable is 2. Yes. Now, x and into 2. 2 into x is 2x. Now, when you multiply these two factors, you will be getting a term, 2x. Then your question is 2x plus 5. Now, find out a token with plus 5, and it should be placed in the second closed slot, and is equal to 17 should be placed in the third open slot. Now, you have got an equation, 2x plus 5 is equal to 17. Now, the question is complete. Now, we are going to solve the equation. Now, the thing what you have to remember is, the slot which is on the right side of this equation, balancing scale, will be having the opposite sign. So, when we are transposing any variable or a number from one side to other, the sign changes. Plus will become minus, and minus will become plus, and multiplication will be division, and division will be multiplication. So, we are going to follow the same rule as we used to do it in the solving the equation. Now, plus 5. So, this slot is the opposite of this slot. So, what you have to fix is minus 5. Now, calculate 17 minus 5. You have to solve this. Plus 17 and minus 5 is your plus 12. So, that answer to be fixed in the fourth open slot. Now, this slot is the opposite of this slot. Now, this multiply by 2 should be fixed with divided by 2. Divided 2 with division symbol. Now, just divide 12 and 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, here is your answer. The value of x is 6. So, when 2x plus 5 is equal to 17, when you solve step by step, your answer will be x is equal to 6. I hope you understood. Now we have solved the linear equation. Let's move on for the observation. So, what we have learned in this linear equation? If a term is shifted from one side to the other side of an equation, we change the sign of the term. And the process of shifting a term from one side to other is known as transposition. And in this, the question starts from this. 2x plus 5 is equal to 17, and your answer for the variable is x is equal to 6. Thank you.